Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, it's going to be a pretty quick episode because we are making a cocktail that only has 2 ingredients. Absinthe and Champagne, baby. This cocktail is called Death in the Afternoon. But it's also called the Hemingway. And it's also called Hemingway Champagne. This cocktail was created by Ernest Hemingway himself, the late great author, one of my favorites. And this little bundle of liquid joy comes with a note straight from the author himself. Pour 1 jigger of absinthe into a champagne glass. Add iced champagne until it attains the proper opalescent milkiness, and drink 3 to 5 of these slowly. That's right, Ernest Hemingway, baby. So being that this cocktail is not shaken or stirred, it's just gonna be built in the glass, we're just gonna jump right into it. And here's what we're gonna need: our jigger and our glassware. Now, I went ahead and chilled my glassware just to give it a little extra oomph, a little more chill to it. We got nice cold champagne, actually Prosecco. We're doing ours with Prosecco. Sorry, Ernest, it's just more cost effective. What are you gonna do? Anyway, here we go. A little death in the afternoon. Let's see how quickly we can get there. Starting out, 1.5 ounces of absinthe. And let's open up our Prosecco we got here. There we go. Get that shit out of here. Opening up the cage, guys, proper technique, at least opening the champagne. Make sure you don't pop anybody in the eye. Keep your thumb over the cage while you untwist. Take the cage off, place your thumb back on over the top. You're gonna hold the cork and you're gonna twist the bottle slowly. Goal is to open the champagne as quietly as possible. Not bad. All right, aiming for 4.5 ounces of chilled champagne. If we follow Hemingway's instructions, just slowly pour it until it reaches that perfect opalescent milkiness. Slowly pouring. Oh. Look at that. It's that simple, guys. Death in the afternoon. Let's taste. I mean, you definitely get the absinthe on the nose, man. That like licorice note. Beautiful. Yo. That's a nice little heavy hitter right there. Now, if I were to drink 3 to 5 of these slowly, I'm pretty certain that all the literature that Hemingway wrote would come alive right in front of my eyes. That is delicious. You get that breadiness from the sparkling wine, right? The Prosecco brings that breadiness. I'm sure with champagne itself, it'll be a little bit even more on those bready notes. But again, this works beautifully with Prosecco, right? Save yourself some coin, especially when you're mixing a little cocktail with it. I love the color. That bright green comes through, man. That absinthe color. It gets that milky note just like Hemingway said. Once you add in the champagne, Prosecco, sparkling wine, whatever. It's nice, it's sparkling, it's bright, it's boozy. That licorice note on it, it's really, really a nice subtle note, man. If you're not a big licorice fan, you probably won't like this, but if you like that kind of that fennel-y note, that licorice note, you'll dig this. There it is, guys. Death in the afternoon. If I drink 3 to 5 of these, I might be dying this afternoon. So I'm gonna leave it right there. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down, say, for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. And become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.